The best way to make the most out of Tarleton State is by getting involved. Tarleton State offers something for everybody. For students wanting to make an impact, join clubs like Tarleton Serves or Roundup. Tarleton Serves allows students to lend a helping hand or a green thumb. The goal is to give back and help out our small but blossoming community. If you're searching for a family-based sense of belonging, Tarleton State University has 19 affiliated organizations you can choose from. They are housed under 3 councils: Interfraternity, Intergreek, and Panhellenic. Find your new fam and go Greek! You can't forget about the organizations that help to promote student development, like Becoming Bold and the Student Government Association, not to mention the endless list of job opportunities available on campus. There are many places of worship open to students who are looking to explore their faith. On-campus organizations like BSM, CCM, and Paradigm are always open to new members. There's more than enough clubs for students just looking to have a little fun. Organizations like TTM or Pencus are a great way to get involved in the Tarleton spirit and give back to your fellow and future Texans. We hope this video helps you find your home here at Tarleton State, and we can't wait to see where you get involved. Remember to bleed purple and roll Texans.